Hi everyone. Launching software is a big milestone and certainly a very important one. As solutions architect, I see this all the time. Once the product has gone live, everybody's really excited, but oftentimes folks are wondering what is really the next step, and there's really just not a lot of clarity on what the processes are. So from a technical side, there's a few things to keep in mind as part of your post-launch activities. Number one is monitoring and performance tracking. So you want to make sure you log as much data as possible to be able to track how people are actually using your software and to be able to quickly proactively identify possible performance problems and other issues. Secondly, the support and triage process is very important to make sure your customers know who to contact, as well as for your support staff to very quickly be able to identify what is really a configuration issue, a software bug, or a user training issue. And thirdly, security and patch management is very important. As we know, security threats have become a lot more sophisticated, and you have to have a plan in place to make sure you have a secure process in place to make sure that your software is as secure as possible. And then finally, a roadmap for iteration. Every release is an iteration, and you want to make sure you have a plan in place to plan your iterations going forward to ensure your product stays up to date and also stays aligned with your company's changing business goals and strategy. The truth is, your first release is really just one of many releases, and you want to make sure there's a partnership between your business organization and your technology provider or a vendor to make sure you're aligned on that process and what that should look like. So if you're heading in that direction, or maybe you're in that position right now, we've launched a product and you're just not clear on what the next steps are, please don't hesitate to contact us and we would love to map out that process for you. Thank you.